Alright friends, thank you for following my blog. Let us create a simple display network campaign. Alright, so this is a simple Google Adwords interface. You go into click into campaigns. Okay, now click on the plus button here. Alright, click on new campaign. AdWords will ask you to choose your website goal. We'll go with no goal, and then we'll create a simple display campaign that is presented right here. Click here. We'll choose a standard display campaign. We will not go for the other two. I will explain smart display campaign and Gmail campaign in another video. Here you can put in your website. Okay. For example, I put my institute website over here, and then I will click on continue. You can name your display campaign whatever you want to name it. Okay. You can choose the location where you want to run your ads. You can name a particular city also. For example, I live in Jabalpur, so I will write Jabalpur, and AdWord will show my place over here. You can either choose to include or exclude. Alright, include means the ad will be shown in that particular area, and exclude means the ad will not show in that particular area. So I'll use include here, so the ad will show in Jabalpur. I can choose a language. I'll let the default language be English. I will not change the bidding type also. Let us go down. I will write down the budget, the average amount that I want to spend per day. For example, it is 1000 rupees that I want to spend. Alright. Then it will ask me to choose an ad group. Here I will choose my audience, whom I want to show my ad to. Alright. So I will go and simple browse my audience, and it will show three options. AdWords is showing three options over here, and it is it can either target through my audience's interests and habits, and second, it can either go for more active audience who is actively researching or planning something that I want to sell to them, and third is if somebody has already visited my website or app and I want to market my app to them. So I will go with this simple interest and habits, and I will write, alright, I will choose one affinity audience. For example, I choose banking and finance, beauty and wellness. So, then AdWords will show my ads to people who have an affinity to banking and finance topics and beauty and wellness topics. Or beauty and wellness topics. Alright, other than that, I can also choose people's gender, age, parental state, household income. I can also do another form of targeting that is known as content targeting, but here we are creating a very simple display campaign, so we'll not go very deep into targeting. Okay, I will put a default ad group bid of 20 over here. That means by default the ad group bid by default the cost per click bid of every audience that I choose, every targeting that I choose inside this ad group will be 20 rupees, and then I will go on create a new ad. Okay, by default I can choose a responsive display ad. A responsive display ad is a very simple ad that shows in all the parts of a web page of the advertiser, of the publisher. I mean, your ad shows on particular websites and apps, right? So a responsive display ad is able to change its size according to the place that it's found suitable to be seen. Alright, so I will I will make a responsive display ad over here. Alright, so here it says that I can add images and logos, and then I can add videos also. I can write down headlines for my ad. I can write a long headline, description, and the business name. Let us make a simple ad. Let me put down some images. For example, I choose this image. I can use this as an image, and I will select this image. Okay. And then let me choose my logo. I will choose this picture as my logo. For example, this is my logo. I will click on save. There are no videos right now that I want to put up, so I will just write a simple headline such as learn digital marketing. I can also career. I can add one more headline, but I will not. I can also write a long headline. I will also write a description over here. Okay, I will write the business name over here. I can add one or more descriptions. So Google will change the description and try to match the ad that gets you the maximum number of clicks. Okay, so Google will do a mix and match of the headlines and the descriptions and automatically optimize for your ads for the maximum performance. Okay, then we will click add to ad group, and then we will simply create this campaign. Now it is showing a basic overview of what you have created. All right, this is the campaign starts on August 22nd, and it has no end date. That means it will go run as ongoing. There was no goal selected. The campaign budget, it is showing that it was 1000 rupees per day. The bid strategy is cost per click. The subtype is standard. I will explain this later in a bit detail. And the language is English. Now we will go and continue the campaign. That's it, your simple campaign has been created. You can go on and see your ad by clicking on the ad group. Okay, here is your ad. If you want to edit your ad, you simply need to click on this pencil icon. Click here and the ad will get edited. Alright, if you want to close this, you can click on this cross. Okay, go to overview, and you can use this simple navigation panel to access your display campaign anytime. Alright, thank you for watching.